Okay, so I am back. It's the same day. I just got back home from work. It's 5 o'clock. Right now what I'm about to do, I'm about to whip up that Miracle Grow mix. I'm about to whip it up, stir it up. Actually put the 1.5 tablespoons into the 1 gallon of water. And I'm gonna go ahead and water my plants. So let's go ahead. Well, actually I was gonna do it this morning, but I didn't know. Like, all right, so let me show y'all my dilemma. This is my watering cup. This is what I use to water my crops. On the side here, you can see the numbers. It goes up, it goes 400, 600, 800, 1,000. What is that? Milliliters, liters? I mean, well, I guess it could be liters. No, it can't be liters. Liters are big. This is 400 milliliters, no? So how many milliliters are in, I believe, I Googled it, it said 1 gallon is 3.7 liters. So this goes up to 1,000, so I'm thinking this is 1,000 milliliters. So that means I would have to mix 3 of these up, 3.5, 3.7, to get a gallon. But an easier way for me is to just take a gallon of milk. The only problem why I can't do that right now is because we have a little bit of milk left in this one, and I need a gallon. Oh, this is a gallon. Boom. And the Hawaiian Punch juice mix. That's 1 gallon. Our nieces are coming this weekend, and this is probably what they wanted. All right, I'm back. Battery died. Read up on the battery. So, and in the meantime, I found something that's a gallon. The Kool-Aid pitcher. Actually, it says it is 3 liters. So, I mean, that's what I need. I need, let's see. I need 1.5 tablespoons and 1.5 gallons of water. 1 gallon is 3.7 liters. So I need basically this whole thing. Maybe I won't pour the whole tablespoon and a half. All right, so let me see. Let me go ahead and mix this up, whip this up. All right, so my fertilizer. Got my fertilizer. 1.5 tablespoons. All right, now I'm filling it up with water. Yes, nutrients. Yes, nitrogen, all of that nitrogen. Yes. All right, now come on. Come on, let's do it right. Now look, if you didn't know any better, that's Kool-Aid. That's blue Kool-Aid. And we're off. Let me try not to spill none of this. Try not to spill none of it. Because my watermelon need all the nutrients they can get. Let me set this down so I can open up my dough. Swing my dough. Yeah, they know they swing my dough. Oh, all right. Let's get out here. All right, let's see how my plants have been faring for today. Uh-oh, nope, don't want none in the grass. Oh, all of this, man, they just look so sad. They just look so sad. Alright, so back here with the plants. Doesn't seem like anything has changed. I still have ants. Why do I have ants? I don't want ants in my watermelon. I feel like the ants might... actually, the problem might be the ants. The ants in my soil. And then I have a grasshopper right there, so it looks like life is starting to take over. Ooh, my watermelon is starting to get soft. This one's still hard. That one's still good. Alright, that one's still good. Alright, so I think I'm starting to lose my big boy. But hopefully, let me see, which vine is he on? He's coming from this one here. So let me put all of this good nutrients into this soil. And this is Operation Drown the Watermelon. So I do plan on having standing water. Let all that get in there. Why do I have so many ants? I just emptied out the bucket. Operation Drown the Watermelon is still in full effect. I have standing water, that's the goal. And the reason that was the goal was because the first time I applied the fertilizer wrong. I just put the fertilizer in the ground and I guess that either burned them or they just overdosed on nitrogen. So I tried to bring them back by adding more hydrogen and oxygen, more water. This is the first mix I've put down ever since I did the fertilizer wrong, and yeah, this is the result. I think this is starting to come to an end because I don't know, those leaves, they just look so sad. If anybody knows how to bring back watermelon after being doused with nitrogen, please let me know in the comments. Yeah, that's it for now. Let me use the rest of this water. Oh, and why do I have ants? I feel like I know I should not have ants. I don't know if ants is normal, but I feel like it's not. Somebody let me know.